Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 150 words per minute English shorthand skill test special dictation on the topic of can a wife settled later abroad claim maintenance in India for all legal skill test examinations. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. In the High Court of Judicature at Bombay High Court, this criminal revision petition has been referred against the order passed by the Land Principal Judge Family Court rejecting the application filed by the revision petitioner wife under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure seeking grant of monthly maintenance from the respondent husband. The core issue that arises for consideration before this court is whether a wife who is well educated, gainfully employed abroad and drawing a substantial salary in foreign currency can invoke the provisions of Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure to claim maintenance from her husband residing in India under the pretext of securing a better and secured lifestyle for herself. The facts leading to the present litigation, briefly stated, are that the marriage between the petitioner and the respondent was solemnized according to Hindu rites and customs. Shortly after the solemnization of marriage, differences cropped up between the parties, leading to their living separately. It is a common ground that the petitioner wife subsequently moved abroad for higher studies and secured gainful employment in a reputed multinational corporation, earning a handsomely paid salary. Despite residing comfortably in a foreign country with independent financial means, the petitioner instituted a petition for maintenance under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure before the Family Court in India, asserting that she requires additional financial support from the respondent husband to maintain a standard of living commensurate with that of her husband and to ensure a better and secured future in a foreign land. Land Council, appearing for the petitioner, vehemently contended that under the law, the husband is under a moral and legal obligation to maintain his wife and ensure that she leads a life of dignity. It was further submitted that mere gainful employment or residence in a foreign country doesn't disentitle the wife from claiming maintenance under the welfare legislation enacted for the protection of women. Land Council forcefully submitted that the expression unable to maintain herself must not be given a narrow or pedantic interpretation to mean absolute destitution, but must extend to providing a secure and comfortable lifestyle to the wife. On the other hand, Land Council for the respondent husband strongly resisted the claims made by the petitioner, submitting that the maintenance petition was filed with ulterior motives to harass the respondent. It was argued that the petitioner voluntarily deserted the matrimonial home without any reasonable cause and relocated abroad to pursue her professional ambitions. Land Council pointed out that the documentary evidence placed on record clearly demonstrates that the petitioner is earning a worthwhile salary in foreign currency, which is far superior to the domestic earnings of the respondent in India. Therefore, it was submitted that the petitioner is fully capable of maintaining herself comfortably, and the provisions of Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure cannot be converted into a tool for financial enrichment. Having heard the Land Council for both sides and having carefully perused the material available on record, this court is of the considered view that the object of Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is fundamentally remedial and not punitive. The primary objective behind the statutory provision is to provide a summary remedy to prevent homelessness and destitution of a dependent wife, children, or parents who are incapable of sustaining themselves. The intention of the legislature was never to allow a spouse who is financially independent, highly qualified, and well settled in life to use maintenance proceedings as a mechanism to extract funds from the other spouse merely to achieve an elevated standard of living abroad. It is a well settled principle of law that while deciding an application for maintenance, the court must balance the needs of the claimant with the capacity and obligations of the respondent. The court must evaluate whether the applicant is genuinely unable to maintain herself within the true scope and ambit of the statutory framework, where the evidence unequivocally establishes that the wife is gainfully employed abroad, residing comfortably, and earning a substantial income that covers all her reasonable needs and expenses. It can't be held that she is unable to maintain herself. The mere desire to secure a better and secured life cannot form the foundation for awarding maintenance under criminal law jurisprudence. Further, the record reveals that the petitioner left the matrimonial home of her own accord to advance her career prospects in a foreign jurisdiction. There is no convincing material placed on record to establish that she was subjected to cruelty of such a nature as to justify her living separately while demanding financial support. In the absence of any reasonable cause for living apart, coupled with the undisputed fact of her independent financial solvency abroad, the claim for maintenance lacks merit and bona fides. In view of the above discussion and taking into account the totality of the facts and circumstances of the case, this court finds no illegality or jurisdictional error in the well-reasoned order passed by the Learned Family Court. Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is designed as a safety net against poverty and destitution, not as a source of supplementary income for financially self-sufficient individuals residing abroad. Consequently, the present criminal revision petition is devoid of merits and is hereby dismissed. The impugned order of the Family Court is accordingly affirmed, pending interlocutory applications, if any, shall stand disposed of. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want to encourage our channel, please join to the join button. Thank you.